Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Monday morning. It is the first day of April 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office. As I look out the window of the Home Weather Office, not a cloud in the sky. It's a beautiful, cool morning. It's going to be a really nice day. So for this week, we have a couple of nice days to start the week. Temperatures will be warmer than what we saw over the weekend with the unsettled weather we saw. Temperatures eventually getting into the 70s. And I know here it is April, when you think, oh, temperatures in the 70s, it's here to stay. That's not the case. Instead, we are going to see a turn to colder weather again for the end of the week, as well as chances of rain and snow. So, yeah, we're just going to get teased with some spring weather over the next couple of days. Let me show you what's happening. This is I'm going to start off with the 500 millibar chart this morning. And what you can see here is this north flow. I'm showing you the 6Z run because the 12Z run isn't completely in. Let me go ahead 6 hours here. And what you'll see here is that we have this north flow, but we basically have a ridge moving in. This deep trough is the one that moved through our area over the weekend, carrying down the cold weather, the Sierra snow, the showers, even the afternoon thunderstorms we saw yesterday. But all of that is now clearing out. And instead, we have this big ridge moving in, which means today we see sunshine, and Tuesday will be a beautiful day with sunshine and temperatures reaching the low 70s, maybe even mid 70s in some spots. It's going to be really nice on Tuesday. But then lurking up here in the Gulf of Alaska is another system coming our way. This will drop down starting on Wednesday, and it will hang around into the day Thursday and Friday. This is not overly wet. We will see showers. We will see Sierra snow. But maybe the bigger thing is it's just going to get cold again as we head into Thursday, Friday, and even into the day on early Saturday. This is getting into Friday night, Saturday. Brief ridging moves in before you see another trough come our way into Sunday and Monday of next week. And then beyond that, another big ridge begins to move in. And then that looks like we may see a more extended period of mild weather into next week. So I mentioned the fact that we're going to likely see some showers, but maybe not a lot. So with that, let's take a look at the precipitable water that's going to be associated with this. So here's that that dry north flow that we have right now. And as we go through the next couple of days, everything stays dry. But with that weather system dropping down from the north, you'll note that there's not a lot of moisture to it. This is about as good as it gets. This is Wednesday. So you're not seeing these kind of colors in here with the higher precipitable water over an inch. Instead, this precipitable water is around 3/4 of an inch. So it's limited moisture, as systems from the north tend to be. And that's why we're not expecting a ton of rain or a ton of snow, but there will be a little bit of each as that system goes by. So with that, let's take a look at the NAM this morning and see when we're going to start getting into some rain and snow. And this will just show the beginning of it. So this is Wednesday morning, around 8 o'clock in the morning. We are still dry, but this is the system lurking to the north. And as we go through the day on Wednesday, according to the NAM, we are dry during much of the day. This is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Showers beginning to break out on the west slope. And we'll see a little bit of rain in the valley, but probably not much. Again, according to this model. Other models are suggesting maybe a bit better rain in the valley. Some snow in the Sierra, probably starting off above 5,000 feet, but maybe dropping down a little bit lower with very limited amounts as we get into the day on Thursday. And this is during the day Thursday. Notice this model has very little in the way of precipitation. You're not seeing the entire screen covered in green and blue. Instead, you're seeing kind of the more orographically enhanced showers over the mountains, over the coast range, that sort of thing. Not going to rule out the fact we could see some showers in the valley on Thursday. As a matter of fact, I think that's pretty likely, but just not being depicted on this model. Maybe more importantly, is just how cold it's going to get. So with that, I'm going to show you the 5,000 foot temperatures. Now, these come out in degrees C. And a couple of weeks ago in the comments section, somebody yelled at me for using degrees C. Well, that's the way this model goes. So I'll translate for you. Here we are this morning, 5,000 foot temperatures around 6 or 7 degrees Celsius, which is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees. And I'm showing you this, to show you the cold air, but also just to show you it's all relative, whether I'm using degrees Fahrenheit or degrees C. This is Tuesday. So Tuesday is our warmest day. And then we have temperatures that are up around 11 degrees, which is around 50 to 52. 10, 11 degrees, that's around 50 to 52. So it gets warmer into the day on Tuesday. Wednesday, you can see this colder air beginning to move. I'll go ahead all the way to Thursday. So this is Thursday afternoon. Now our 5,000 foot temperature is down around -3, which is around 26 or 27. So we've gone from temperatures in the 50s at 5,000 feet to temperatures down in the 20s at 5,000 feet. I'll tell you one other funny thing. Like I said, somebody commented about using degrees C here. So the models use degrees C at the higher elevations, but down at the surface, if I turn that on, it uses degrees F. And this shows temperatures in the 50s in the valley on Thursday afternoon. So yeah, you get the idea. It is going to get quite a bit colder. And in terms of precipitation, again, don't expect we'll see a lot of rain for the valley. But there will be snow in the Sierra. There will be enough snow that there will be chain controls. And I did see a headline earlier today from somebody showing, we could see some lower snow. And if you're at an elevation, let's say below 3,000 feet, and you're seeing that headline, there could be some snow showers, maybe, because the air is going to be so cold. But I don't anticipate at this time that you'd be shoveling any snow. But that's something we will be looking at as we go through the rest of this week. Again, a relatively dry but cold system coming our way later on this week. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. Later on today, I will make myself a productive citizen again. I'll put on a suit and tie, and I'll go to the studio, and I'll be on TV later on today. In the meantime, make it a great day. Enjoy the sunshine. I'll talk with you later.